So we're shopping. I was gonna vlog this weekend, 3-day weekend vlog. So I got free underwear.
I'm not.
Let's buy some stuff.
Stop talking to me.
Let's buy some stuff.
I'm busy all week.
Now we're in Kohl's.
I watched a rock opera called R&J. It was Romeo and Juliet. It was really good.
Oh. Is this the section I want to be in? I think this is the section I want to be in. I'm trying to find a striped t-shirt for my school picture because I always wear stripes for my school picture. So, got a bunch of keychains on here. There's a lot of people in this section, so we're gonna... Okay, so we're at the drive-thru for McDonald's in Fort, and I was pulling in, and there was this family, and this little boy was like walking across the thing, and I let them go, and he started screaming, and he probably thought I was gonna hit him, and I was like, yeah, boy. It was not good. Hey, stop. Stop. She got a poster from Spencer's. I also got 4 pair of fake gauges earrings from Spencer's, so I'll show you that when we get home. Alright, as you can see, we're home now, and I'm gonna give you guys a little haul about what I got. I went to Pink, and I got some underwear because I had like a little get a free pair of underwear thing, I guess. Came in the mail, so when I go use that today, I'll show you guys which ones I got. I just covered the camera, I'm sorry. Hi, look! Coconut's just chilling with us today. There's a giant bee on my window, or wasp or something, so these are the ones I got. Simple and cute. I can't wait to wear them, they look really cute. I just really wanted the bag, y'all. Then we went to Spencer's, I think I told that, and I got some earrings. I got these mint ones, mint green colored. These bluish purple, marble-ish colors. These blue ones, which are apparently glow in the dark, which is awesome. And then these are my personal favorite, which I'll be wearing tonight. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'll show you guys closer. Yes, I bought all of these myself. This is not sponsored. These ones, the purple blue marble color. My favorite is the purple marble color ones and the teal green ones. I have some old ones over here. Where are they? Old ones, the rainbow ones, the only one that's left a pair. I had these really cool marble teal colored ones and the other one broke. Same thing with the yin yang ones and the green ones. They the earring itself cracked, so I really hope that that doesn't happen with these. With these, they do have the little plastic or rubber thing on them, and I have extras just in case those ones I lose them or whatever. Alright, so I'm just laying here with Coconut, obviously. Waiting for my mom to get off work. She's gonna come home and pick us up, so I don't have to drive anymore today, which is great, because I really don't want to. The shirt is from 1988. Yeah, I'm not that old. It's her picture day shirt. My picture day shirts. Alright, it's 9:15, and we're home now for the night. I'm chilling with my little boy. It's a little warm for cuddles, but I can make an exception because he's cute, right? Tomorrow we are going to a car show, so you guys will see that, and possibly my friend Liz if she wants to be in it. Shout out to her, that'll be fun. I wear my Fitbit now. My fingernails are falling off. Let's see if I focus the camera here. Like, let's focus it on my knee. Yeah, my thumbnail, my middle finger, and my thumbnail and this finger, they're all like, yeah, so, hi. He just wants to be pet. He's so cute. Alright, well, we're gonna sign off for the night. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and she's getting ready to go to Chicago for the day.
I'm gonna post it in my story.
Are you excited?
No. Yeah.
You're going out of state with your mans.
It's hot out.
It's gonna be hot out today. Someone found me again, so that's cute. After she leaves, I'm going back to bed for about 2 hours. And then I'm going to get up and go meet my mom for lunch. My aunt and my mom and my cousin. Zach!
Stop!
And then after that, we're going to pick up my friend Liz, and then we're going to go to a car show, and then we're going to come home, maybe swim. I don't know what we're going to do, but tomorrow we're going to the state fair, so this is going to be a nice...
Ow! It's too easy. I said that a lot at work. Ma'am.
A nice long vlog, and I hope you guys yawned with me right there. Allie
Look
did
at
not.
her attitude.
Allie is playing with Tyga.
Oh, she's gonna attack me.
And we are here to witness it all. Before you leave, put that plate in the kitchen, please. She's 7 years old, guys. Look how small she is. He's only 4. Also, he's protecting me. What are you doing, Tiggy?
Waiting to attack me when I least expect it? Oh, now you're gonna play the cute game. Oh!
Yep, because Auntie's recording.
Do not bite my elbow again. That hurts. You're mean.
I'm recording the whole
She's
thing.
really not mean, I promise.
This
We're
video,
just playing.
this video is gonna be called Vicious Cat Attack.
She's nice, I promise.
Make a scared face. No, like looking at her. Okay. Wait. Try it again. You were out of frame.
She's really nice, I promise.
Try it again. Make her scared. Make her scary and make you scared. Y'all, this is the making of a thumbnail. Okay, that's gonna be the title.
Really sweet, I promise.
Title and thumbnail. Vicious Cat Attack gone wrong.
She's really sweet, I promise.
She isn't that mean, I swear.
We were just playing.
Clickbait.
We're just playing. We play this game a lot called She's Gonna Attack Me Now. Because I've been watching the news since like 5.
Okay, she's getting ready to go.
Am I though?
They'll be here soon. We're
She'll
chilling.
message be like, I'm 1 minute away.
I literally always start yawning as soon as I start recording.
Recording.
Mocha's chilling there. Tiger's over there. There's George and Paris is on the table. Don't ask me where Coconut is.
I put her up there and now she doesn't want to get down.
How are your thoughts for the day?
My thighs? They're gonna get burnt.
I don't ask.
I don't know.
Your thoughts. Are you excited? Are you nervous?
Yes.
Not the answer.
It was the answer though, because those are my emotions.
Hungry?
No, I'm actually not. I ate waffles this morning.
Put the Pop-Tart in your purse just to be
I don't
safe.
want a Pop-Tart in my purse.
You might.
There's a truck and it scared me. I was like, okay.
Alright, it's like 9:30. I just laid in bed for about an hour doing nothing because I didn't know what to do and I couldn't find anything to do, so I'm just gonna get dressed right here. I'm just wearing this gray shirt, my brown cargo shorts, and I just got the sports bra there, and I'm gonna borrow my sister's Converse I think today, so next time you see me I'm going to be dressed and my hair is still gonna look this bad, so let's go get dressed. And I'm dressed. Most people do the little snap thing, but I figured that one would be easier for me. Like I said, just gray shirt, cargo shorts. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and get ready, and then I'm going to lay in bed for another 20 minutes because I don't have to leave till 10:30. So I will check in with you guys before I leave the house again. Hey guys, I honestly don't know if you can hear me, and I should have just sat in my car to do this. But I made it to the hotel where my mom works, and I'm gonna go in a minute, but I'm trying to figure out if she's in the bar or where she is. I just want to show you guys the size difference of mine and my mom's car. The back end isn't lined up with my front end, but my car is like 1.5 feet longer than hers. I forgot I was recording today, but I just went to the car show and now we're at Joann Fabrics and we're getting a new blade for our rotary cutter thing. And we'll go home and just relax. Go swimming. It's like 5 o'clock now and we're home. Well, I'm home. My mom ran downtown quick. My sister's still in Chicago, but my mom and I are gonna go swimming and I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. We were gonna go to the fair, but I don't think we're gonna go because it's gonna rain. Might hang out with Kyle. I don't know yet. I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow. I guess we'll find out when tomorrow comes. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I don't know. I might not have enough footage. If I don't have enough footage, you guys will see tomorrow. You'll see a video part of tomorrow too. So hang tight for that, I guess. That's about it for now. Yeah, dinner would be cheese and chips and raspberry lemonade. Awesome.
As far back as it can possibly be.
You're welcome. I put it there for a reason.
Why?
Nobody likes white milk.
That's kind of racist, don't you think?
Alright,
No.
guys, she's home. Tell us, how was your first game at that field?
Cam McGonahan, the first pitch. I like him.
In case you guys didn't know, that's Ian from Shameless or Joker from Gotham.
McGonahan.
Anyway, if you go watch Shameless, you know. Who else was there?
Hampton. The black lady. What's her first name?
Veronica, which is her
Shanola.
show. Yeah, her show name is
Ethan. Which
Carl.
is Carl.
and Lip.
And Jeremy White, which is Lip.
They were all in the same building as
We
her.
took lovely pictures.
Her and her mans. Where'd you go for dinner?
We went. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Portillo's?
Portillo.
Portillo's!
Oh, I stole his hat for the week. 2 weeks.
Yep, you get to keep the hat till we go up to the Dells in 2 weeks.
And we have, I don't know what he did with it, but I know he took a better picture. It's Home Alone featuring MC Me, because that's who I am. He came up with it. My head has
That
to
is he going like this? Like under his chin.
It appears like he's flipping me off, but mine's like this and his is completely sideways. What else did we do?
Well,
We walked around and we took the L train.
we took the L. We took the L when we were in Chicago.
The Chicago Cubs took the L also because they lost today.
Brewers took an L too today, which
They
sucks.
lost to the Padres.
Aiden went to the Brewers game, so I knew someone at Brewers and Cubs today. Well,
I know lots of people. At the
we're
Cubs
gonna
game
go
today.
mess around and we'll catch you guys later. Somehow we ended up in Jefferson at Walmart. We're in the vitamin aisle because I'm looking for vitamins.
I'm getting some stuff. Don't show it though.
She's getting some stuff. Ooh, sneak peek. That'll be in a whole nother video. We'll show the final when she is done and it's given away.
Nice picture, Matt.
You're a good boy, Coconut.
There's girls out at Sturgis.
Ellie, where are we going today?
I don't know, but I still have Gabe's hat.
State Fair, boy. She went to go buckle, and she was already buckled. No, we're gonna call it all your mistakes. That was awkward filming it. Made it.
That's hot.
It's hot. It's a big wheel.
Wow. Wow.
Ooh, wallets.
Wow.
It beats the Ninja one that I have right now.
Let's go in here. That's my wallet.
Okay, we'll go there. Put that in the Honda. They're supposed to be. Huh. Hello. Nice. He's going on YouTube. He's gonna be famous. I'll be famous too. Ellie, do you want to be famous?
I want to be famous.
I know, I was gonna say, how did the big ones not eat it?
Okay.
I'm swimming backwards. That's never good.
My goldfish do that. scary. They're sturgeons. That's that one right there. Dude, look at that huge one in the bag.
In the what?
The big one right back there.
Oh. They can't move because there's too many in the tank.
Look at all of those.
Like, please, catch us because they have blue.
What is that one? You sucker, probably.
He's cool looking.
Look at him go.
Nope, that's not this one.
It looks like coconut, but in fish form.
Yeah.
Literally like coconut in fish form. You got stepped on? Oh no.
She stepped on me and it's like,
Like what, bro? I flinched like you were gonna hit me. Ah!
I had no control over my arm.
Oh my god, there's so much food. It's been fun watching little donkeys.
I'm scared.
They're so tiny though, really. Real quick. That's Mocha. That would be Mocha.
Come on, open her up.
Look at her little tiny hooves. Bye bye.
Sweetie.
Oh, self-care. There's more. We have to use this. Cut it. Yeah, it's right there. Oh, he doesn't want to be fed. I'm not a gender.
What does it say?
Then that is a girl. Then this is a girl. I've been calling it a dude. Hi. Baby horsey. Babies. Hope you enjoyed that vlog. Quite long. We went to the fair today. I hope you guys enjoyed all that footage. I don't know if you can hear much in it. I just straightened my hair because tomorrow is picture day. It's 7:13 Monday night. This vlog was started Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon when you were at the mall. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it out here, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell because I do not have a normal upload schedule, so that way you'll be notified when I do upload. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. All of that will be linked down in the description. Go ahead and follow me on there. We can be best friends. I'll add you back, message you back. We can be besties. But for now, I'm sorry, I'm loving my hair straight. My hair's always straightened, but it looks just like extra good today. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the internet. Bye.